Still struggling to get your awesome G733 headset working with your PS4? Let's fix that right now. First, make sure your G733 headset is connected to your PC and powered on. We need to ensure it's in the correct mode. Locate the wireless USB receiver and unplug it from your computer. Now, head over to your PS4. Find one of the USB ports on the front of the console. Plug the wireless USB receiver directly into the PS4's USB port. Make sure it's securely connected. Next, navigate to your PS4 settings. Go to Devices, then select Audio Devices. In the Audio Devices menu, you should see Input Device and Output Device. For both of these options, select Logitech G733 gaming headset. Next, find Output to Headphones and make sure to select All Audio. This ensures you hear everything through your headset. And that's it. Your G733 headset is now successfully connected to your PS4. Enjoy your gaming.